May kulay-pula rin po. Muna ko yung labas habang tumatakbo.
I'm massaging his toes. Mom. Oh, we will miss Princess.
Naman dyan yung credit eh.
Which one do you really want to see? Prince of Persia?
Red naman palang mulugan. Akala ko ikakas mong 300.
Or natural? Which one do you really want to see? Prince of Persia?
Sa tingnan station ka nakalagay, minimum payment.
What do you want to see?
Hindi nakabababa
Prince of Persia or
payment nyo. Sabi,
natural?
30. 30, pwede. Okay yung payment mo, nakabayad ka ng
What?
30. Hindi ka mag-apply.
Pero mas maganda.
Sabi makapas mo.
May darating sa aming sulat.
Para lumaki agad yung credit.
No.
Mas na lang para lumaki agad yung credit.
Umaga, pagka minimum payment,
I didn't even watch it.
ang putos mo 20. Ganun yun eh.
Teresa kasi yung maliwanag sa amin. Sabi Teresa, gusto mag-build ng credit. Dahil niya kasi bago lang kami. Sabi ganyan lang ang umpisa. Pero anyang ginagawa din na yes, pabalik sa inyo yung 300 na
Stop doing that before, Lily.
tapos may penalty na.
Hindi nga naman kayo makakaya.
Meron.
I'm getting
Kumbaga, yung laptop mo, bayan mo, nagbasa ka nila yung tatuan.
We're almost there. Then, which is the slowest vehicle ever? The car, the car, the airplane, or the motorcycle, or the monster truck? Which one is definitely the slowest? The trailer is the slowest, is it? The trailer? Oh,
Ano man sa auto?
Renta.
Ay, tagal naman.
Punto ko mo yun eh.
I didn't know that. I thought trailers. Oh, I was talking about the RV.
Kahit pa dalawang
It's a house then a car. How cool is that? Okay, I think it's a man. No, I will say once a new mini car.
Ngayon lang nga siya natagdagan ng araw.
B. Yeah. B. Lap that down.
Kaya ko ng sahod, pagdating ng sahod, babayad din ako ng
Like, no, I was thinking about something
Naman kami
different.
big boy dito sa Amerika.
Like, two connected pedals is a full house. Yeah.
May ba't tinala ako?
I feel really silly.
Sabi nga naman ako. Sabi nga ako mga bata eh. Kailan namin isip kami eh. Parang kawawa lang masyado. Sabi ko huwag iiwanan sa bahay ng tatay nila para may sigagalit pang
Oo, pag nakilupa ko ka sa akin na namin bigay mo.
huwag ba dadala yung maganda.
Oo.
Kaya mga sabi sa mago kung ba dadala.
Pag pinilasin mo pa, saber naman eh.
Peekaboo.
Salamat.
Peekaboo. 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 Kimberly cried.
Uy! Uyog-uyog yung
Eh, nakatindig yung dalawang. Sit down, sit down.
Lord.
I can't believe I lost my food.
Yung tapos to.
Yeah, I only lost only one seat. Yeah, you
Maganda yung ano nila, pangharang.
How
Oh.
many seats
Hindi
did
ka
you
gaya sa
have?
atin eh, no?
Sa atin ba to nakaharang?
Patay ka naman dito ba ito ni Bayani?
I think- no, I just lost
Dami
one
namatay
and a
doon sa mga
half.
pinagagawa niya.
Because I broke it, but there's still a half here.
Ewan ko lang kung binago niya yung mga traffic. Binalik na yun sa dati. Pinagagawa ni Bayani na
You like that thing though. Not like that's big. When I lost this it just cracked out. Yeah,
Secured kasi.
Ah, secured. Ah, ganun pala yun, ano?
Yan.
Mama, I like your present.
Yeah.
A computer.
Talagang pag sumakot ako, bayan lahat yan. Cash. Mababayaran ko agad yan. Bakit manda yung credit?
Look, my
Manda yung
Where?
credit.
Hindi kasi kami pumakit credit namin dahil inuwi mo lahat ng appliances sa magandang bahay. Puro naka-credit card. Siyempre, sa 3,000, magkano man ito?
I just didn't. Because back in
Dalawa na, ang bigat ng minimum
you
yun.
were like, I didn't even let go. I didn't even let go. But then
Talaga walang makakapira. Meron pera ka na.
Where are you going?
Nakuha ka lang ng makano. Isang tao na pero kinakas mo yung lalaki.
Where are you going, Lola? Lola, where are you going?
Credit score mo.
Lola, where are you going, Lola? Lola, where are you going?
Kinakas niya lahat. Ang score niya ngayon, 709.
I wish you could go back.
Magkano pwede niyo ako?
If you have...
Para mag-qualify ka sa bahay, eh, ang 710 perfect score na yun eh.
I already know how to do
790.
Yung bahay ang kukunin, hindi ka kasi sinasahod.
Ay, hindi.
Townhouse ko, hindi. Kung maganda kotse ka ka. Kasi pagka...
Hindi na kukuha ng kotse agad sa Lubon si Toyota.
Hindi kasi, ang ano, pagka kukuha ka ng bahay, hindi ka ano eh. Pag nakita yung kotse, magkano sa kotse, awas sa sako. Pwede mo na lang tayo ng bahay.
Then you could be smarter than you said. Then
Hindi mo lang
say
makakasal.
a hard word that no one knew how to spell. Now you know how to spell. Then you just say the correct word. Then you are star student.
Ang townhouse niya, parang ganyan lang ang townhouse.
Also some bad
Ang monthly niya po, 75.
I had to play dolls and I didn't want to.
475 yung nulog niya.
I had to play with baby dolls.
Nagbibuild ka naman ng equity.
So what did you do? I rolled.
Kanya pala si Limilya yung mag-asawa.
I'm like, I don't want to play with baby dolls.
Tinabol pa ka, tinawag ako ni Emilia. Sabi kay Emilia sa akin, Jean, can you take a look for what? Sabi niya.
Yeah, only if you have the dagger.
Sabi niya sa akin, just a minute, sabi niya.
Hey, look at
Because
that.
I was gonna
And it has a time, a button.
I thought she's already doing the house.
You
No,
hold
she
the
has
dagger
an
too,
answer.
and it turns back on. You did. We won that in the underneath.
Kasi tinulugan pala nila Emilia yung bahay nila, kanya pala lang.
Napatay mo na eh. Ay, ang haba naman.